Ever wondered how many devices your student Adobe Creative Cloud subscription lets you use? Let's dive into figuring out how many computers you can actually use your Adobe Creative Cloud apps on. Specifically with that awesome student ID of yours, this is super important to avoid any license headaches down the line. First things first, understand that Adobe's licensing, even for students, has limits. While it's incredibly convenient, it's not unlimited device access. Typically, you can install the Adobe Creative Cloud apps on more than one computer. However, you can only actively use the software on a limited number of them simultaneously. Generally, this includes 2 active computers at the same time. To confirm the exact number allowed for your specific student plan, head to the Adobe website or the Creative Cloud desktop app. Log into your Adobe account using your student credentials. You'll find important information about your subscription in the Account Overview or Plans and Products section. Look for details about device activation. Read through the terms of service. The terms are usually clear on how many devices are allowed, and you can always check for any recent changes. Sometimes, the number may vary based on the specific apps included in your plan. Remember, using your student ID to access Adobe is a privilege, so adhering to the license terms keeps everything above board. That's it. Now you know the basics of Adobe Creative Cloud device limitations using your student ID. Make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.